Hey Tech Nation. All right, remember the video I just did where I said that Google Home doesn't work with the iPhone? Well, I took my Google Home back to Best Buy, and there happened to have been a guy from Google that was in the Google area that works for Google. He's not like a Best Buy Google guy. He works for the company Google. So I went up to him. I go, "Hey, I'm really bummed. I got an iPhone, but I really want the Google Home. It's affordable. I like Google searches way better than Siri. Siri is just absolutely horrid." And he says, "Oh yeah, just put in this IFTTT app." And I'm like, "I don't want to do third-party software and mess around with all these settings." He says it's super easy. They're applets. They're already made. So you could tell your Google Home to put something on your phone. You could say every time I tell Google, I take a picture, the app will post it on Twitter, or I can have Alexa talk to my phone. It literally joins all products together, and you just select what you want. So I'm like, okay, so let me take a look at this. So I literally had to go back and re-buy Google Home because I just got done returning it. So I bought a new one, and I'm going to show you now how it works. I'm super happy that I did this second video. I'm super happy I kept fighting to figure this out. So I'm very excited to show you guys. Okay, so let me show you the app in the App Store. So go to your App Store or Play Store and put in IFTTT. IFTTT stands for if this, then that. If you've ever done basic programming, they used to be called if-thens. If you've ever flowcharted. Anyway, enough of the boring stuff. Yeah, I'm going to type in iOS reminder. Okay, and hit search. Back up new iOS photos you take to Dropbox. You can turn that on. You can turn any of these on. So every time I take a photo on my iPhone, it'll go to Dropbox if I want it to. Save new iOS contacts. I have this one already installed on my phone. Every time I add a contact to my Apple contacts, it adds to my Google contacts, just because I want it. Automatically back up your new iOS photos to Google Drive. So you get the gist, right? These are little programs that you can turn on or off. I want iOS reminders. I want to rephrase this. So I'm going to do Google Assistant and then iOS reminders. All right, so here's one I could use. Okay, this says add a new to-do in your iPhone's reminder app with Google Assistant. See how it says, say, okay, Google, add a reminder to my iPhone? Yep, you can do that. I have that one, and I've turned it on. Now let's go to the other one I found. I found this one here. Common iOS and Google Assistant shopping list with Google Home. And this lets me, and you can see the developer, the guy who designed it. This lets me add to my shopping list. And I'll show you that in a minute. And then the other one I created, or I found, right here. This is popular. Create an event on your iOS calendar using Google Assistant. And if any of you are having trouble finding these, just type that title in. Create an event on your iOS calendar using Google Assistant. All right, so my favorite thing is if you go to their website, and you probably want to do this on a desktop or a laptop, but if you go to their website, you can literally build your own applets. All right, so let's give it a try. I'm going to bring up my shopping list here. Okay, Google, add burritos to my shopping list.
Added burritos to your iOS shopping list.
Nothing. Oh, there's burritos. Okay, Google, add cleaning cloths to my shopping list.
Added cleaning cloths to your iOS shopping list.
Oh, it just popped. Look, there it is. Okay, Google, add to my calendar Sunday, 12 noon dentist.
Okay, adding to your calendar, Sunday 12 noon dentist.
Bam, there it is. So you got to give the time and date first and then what you want it to post. If you do it the other way, it won't work, okay? So time and date and then what you're doing that time and date. Because watch, ready? Okay, Google, add to my calendar dinner with Tammy's parents, 7 p.m. Sunday.
Okay, adding to your calendar, dinner with Tammy's parents 7 p.m. Sunday.
Oh, it did work. Okay, I lied. All right, so it pretty much posts anything you want on the calendar. Of course, I'm not having dinner with Tammy's parents, so we're going to delete that. And I don't know a dentist's office that is open on Sundays, and I'm not going anyway. Delete that. All right, so there it is, guys. That's it. Google Home works with iOS, reminders, and calendar. So be very happy that you don't have to spend $350 on the Apple HomePod or even the $400 for Google Max. Just get this for $129, and I'm sure on Black Friday it's going to be even less. See you guys on the next episode. Take care, Tech Nation. Bye-bye.